Hello everybody, Tanisha here coming to you guys with a video showing you Bam Bam's first grade curriculum. I know you guys are probably like, what in the world? I thought you was down for my father's world. You know, I am, still am. I'm really nervous. This is my first year not teaching a My Father's World curriculum. I love My Father's World. I started with it. But this year, we had the opportunity to use BookShark. This curriculum was provided to us by the company. And I've already written a review on it. I wrote a review on it last year. We used it for a little bit last year. And then I put it away. And this year, we're going to pick up where we left off. So I will be putting a link to that review. Of course, you guys know, check the description box for all the good stuff. But yes, I'm excited to be reviewing BookShark. This is I guess what people maybe say, a secular curriculum. This does not include a Bible program. However, we got Bible all in this house. Okay, everybody in here, we got Bible. My husband's a preacher. We got Bible all through the house. So I'm not worried about incorporating Bible study. I will do that on my own. But I'm really excited to try BookShark because of all the books and just really dig into it deeper. So let's go ahead and get started. I have the level 1 all subject package. That's what I was sent, with the exception of the Math UC and the Handwriting Without Tears. I believe those are the two programs that they use for math and for handwriting, and those were not sent to me. Yes, Handwriting Without Tears, Package 1, and the Math UC Alpha were not sent to me. However, everything else was. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. All right, so the first thing that you see are the instructor's guides, and those you separate by week and you include them into the BookShark Big Teacher's Guide binder. This binder is humongous. It's separated by week, so you have your tabs. You can just flip to it, and of course it is big and heavy duty and very sturdy. So that is all the instructor guides for the subjects. All right, guys, so here we have our history program. And so we, of course, again, the teacher's guide, the instructor's guide is up top. And then we just have several Usborne books, the Peoples of the World book. And I believe this one is out of print. They may have an updated one, I believe, but they are still using it for this curriculum, so they are able to get this copy of it. I'm gonna have to go back and read my review, but I believe this one's out of print, or they've updated it, but you can still get this through BookShark. Then we have the Book of World History, their Time Traveler book. And then we also have the BookShark Timeline book, the Great Wall of China book, and A Child's History of the World. And there are also some read aloud books that are included that will, of course, go along with our history program. But this is such a literature-rich curriculum. That's what made me so excited about it. So I look forward to digging into this with Bam Bam. And the scope and sequence was also included for every single subject. So you're able just to kind of see some of the stuff we're going to be going over and touching up on in the first few weeks. And I know you're also probably wondering, why am I just now posting it? Guys, we're just now starting school. And guess what? Who gonna check me, boo? Because it's a homeschool. So yeah, we're just now getting started with doing full complete days, and I went through and rearranged the learning center and all that good stuff, but I want to make sure that I used everything we had. So I'm excited to be digging into this. We have been starting it slowly, adding subjects here and there, but we'll have our first go around of this on Monday, the 23rd, when we have our first full day where I instruct them. They've been doing half days since the beginning of September, but we're going to have our first full day on Monday. Okay, and then real quick, I forgot to show you, it also comes with this large world markable map, and then also it comes with wet erase markers. So I really like that because you don't have to worry about bumping into it and wiping something off, because you have to use something wet to erase it. All right, guys, so this is our science section here. So again, the instructor's guide, and then we have several books: Archaeologists Dig for Clues, What Makes You Ill, The Usborn World of Animals book, this I Wonder DK Space book, Magic School Bus. We know Miss Frizzle loves to teach, okay? First Encyclopedia of the Human Body, The Usborn Book of Science Activities, and I believe this is volume 1. Yes, volume 1. They also have a science DVD right here. This has experiments on it that your child can watch. And then in here is our science kit. And if I remember correctly, this has everything we need to make our science year awesome. Okay, so that has everything we need: magnets, all that good stuff. And everything, I believe you can reuse it, because we did some of the stuff. So you can reuse this stuff. And I'll be able to use it again for Princess next year. All right, and then here you see the science weekly subject list. Now, this is not going to be like the scope and sequence is. It's not organized like that. It just tells you what you're going to be studying. So this year we are doing animals, and we're learning about the body and things of that nature. So that's what we'll be doing for our entire school year, getting into space and all of that. All right, guys, and then last but not least, included was the entire language arts section, along with all of the books that were a part of that. So any book that is covered was included. Now, I'm not going to go through every one of these, but I do want to note that there are several chapter books in here, as well as like light books like the Dr. Seuss books and things like that. We have read some of these already last year, like Mr. Popper's Penguins. My kids really liked reading that one, and Henry Huggins. They really enjoyed that last year, but I look forward to reading them again with just Bam Bam as we go through this study. I also wanted to note here the I Can Read It. It has the word list as well as some words right there. Book 2 and then book 1. So that'll be my first time using the I Can Read It books. Some of the things that we used in My Father's World first grade, we will be using in this as well. I'm noting. And also some of the same subjects that were covered there will be covering as well. But I'm excited to try something new. I also wanted to show a quick glimpse of these other readers I just pulled out of the box. I thought I had them all. These are some history. This is a history reader. And this will be probably something that goes with science because it's about microbes. And this is about what we eat. So I know this is definitely Usborn science book. So, and then the language arts scope and sequence is quite detailed. It is 4 pages long. So that just covers the first quarter pretty much of what we're going to be going over. And I know, guys, go ahead, talk about me. I don't care. Yes, guys, talk about me. We are just now getting school going good, and it is the middle of September. This video is actually going to go up on Friday. I'm recording this on the 17th. It's going up on Friday with minimal editing. But I definitely wanted to go ahead and start sharing with you guys what we're doing this year for school, starting with Bam Bam because he's doing something new. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will get back to you guys. As always, be sure to check out my blog post, TanishaKemp.com, so you can know what I'm talking about, guys. I know you want to know what I'm talking about. Be sure to subscribe to the blog, guys. Subscribe to the blog. The larger numbers on the blog, the more opportunities I get to review the things that you guys are interested in. And it definitely helps out my family. If you see any affiliate codes down in the description area, or if you see any on my blog, click on those. Those are a blessing to my family, and I thank you guys for being a part of that. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all of that, Team Kemp Academy, so you can know we are chatting about what we're doing on a daily basis. But thank you so much for tuning in. And again, my review will be posted on my blog post, as well as any answers to the questions that you guys comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be Bear's 6th grade curriculum. Happy homeschooling. Bye.